Medicare negotiations for 10 of the most popular drugs used by Montana's seniors are now underway. And I'm here at Montana Apothecary to understand why this move is so important.
It's a constant discussion in our world, especially as a pharmacist. You get calls every single day on drug prices. What's your price on this? How do I get my insurance to pay for this?
Financial relief for Montanans with Medicare is on the horizon. Under the Inflation Reduction Act, the Medicare program looks to expand its benefits while simultaneously lowering drug costs.
I think it's important for the patient to be educated about drug prices. That's the number one thing, is the patient having that gumption to go and ask, what is the price?
The policy signed by President Biden was enacted in August of 2022. The policy included Medicare drug price negotiation, which officially began earlier this week. Now, Medicare is able to directly negotiate with drug manufacturers to lower the price of among the most expensive brand name drugs. These drugs include Eliquis, Jardiance, Xarelto, Januvia, Farxiga, Entresto, Enbrel, Imbruvica, Stelara, and insulin manufactured by Novo Nordisk. Insulin will be capped at $35 a month for Medicare patients per covered prescription.
Montanans should never have to decide between buying life-saving prescription drugs and putting food on the table.
U.S. Senator Jon Tester led the charge in passing the bill as the only member of Montana's congressional delegation to vote for the Inflation Reduction Act.
This is important because this will help Montana's families make ends meet. As long as I'm in Washington, D.C., I'll be fighting for Montanans. And in this case, I'll be fighting against the pharmaceutical companies.
Official price cuts are scheduled to go into effect in 2026, with a negotiated fair price cap by September of 2024. Pharmaceutical manufacturers have already filed several lawsuits claiming the interference to be unconstitutional.
The biggest takeaway of all of this news is just be an advocate for yourself and use your resources. Using your resources, contacting your local pharmacies. There are great local pharmacies in Great Falls.
From Great Falls, Owen Skornick Hayes, MTN News.